do you need to know about
Switching and routing. What is routing? Key characteristics of routing. How does router work? Types of routing. Benefits of using routers. What is switching? Key characteristic of switching. How does switch work? Types of switching. Benefits of switching. Routers. When to use network switch and router.